Starting a software as a service business sounds exciting, right? Passive income, monthly subscriptions, scaling to the moon. But let me be real with you. There are so many things I wish I knew before starting. Today, I'm putting back the curtain to share the lessons that could save you months of stress, thousands of dollars, and maybe even your business. Hey, I'm Pierretti, also known as Coco, and on this channel I help you build, grow, and actually profit from SaaS or software as a service. So if you are thinking about launching or you are in your first year, grab a notebook, because this is what I wish someone had told me. And stick around till the end. I'll give you a free resource that makes your software as a service journey way easier. So when I first started, I thought you just build the software, get people to subscribe, and boom, money. But here's the truth. Building the software is maybe 20% of the work. The real game is marketing, sales, customer support, onboarding, and retention. Your software as a service is not just a product, it's a full business. And if you don't learn how to sell it, no one is gonna care about what you build. They will not care that you build something amazing. Okay, so the next thing I wish I knew before starting is to avoid pricing and positioning mistakes. I underpriced my service at first because I thought cheap equals more customers. That's totally wrong. All it did was attract the wrong type of clients and drain my time. What I wish I knew, people don't pay for the tool, they pay for the result. If your software as a service saves a business, let's say $1,000 a month, then charging $297 is a no-brainer. So this is my tip for you. Don't race to the bottom. Pick a premium niche, solve a painful problem, and price based on value, not on what competitors charge. So I wasted weeks stressing over features, integrations, and design before even validating my idea. The truth, your SaaS doesn't need to be perfect to launch. Start ugly, start small, get feedback, then improve. Perfection is the enemy of profit. Launch fast. Even if only 3 people sign up, you learn more from those 3 users than for building in secret for 6 months. So not at the start. You'll be answering support tickets, updating systems, dealing with churn, setting up automations. It's a grain before it's passive. But here's the beauty. If you document your processes and use automation tools, you can eventually step back